Pool filtration is the heartbeat of a clean, inviting swimming environment. A high-quality cartridge filter can dramatically improve water clarity, reduce chemical demand, and extend between maintenance cycles. This review evaluates 5 cartridge filters across a broad price spectrum, from budget-friendly replacements to premium.
List number 1. Pool Pure PLF 120A Pool Filter replaces Hayward C1200. The PLF 120A from Pool Pure is a compatible 120 square foot cartridge designed to slot into a wide range of Hayward, Unicell, and Filbert bodies. It leverages tri-lobal filtration fabric and a 50-micron refinement layer paired with dirt-locking technology for easier rinsing. At $69.99, it sits firmly in the mid-budget tier and emphasizes durability with 4 ounces thickened fabric and reinforced end caps. The NSF 50 certification adds credibility for material safety in residential pools, and the 120 square foot filtration area balances flow resistance with effective debris capture. In practice, the PLF 120A delivers solid performance for typical residential pools using standard 1.5 to 2 HP pumps. The 50-micron layer helps with fine particles, though you should expect more frequent rinsing if your pool sees heavy debris or finer sediments. Its dirt-locking design can reduce maintenance time, but note that it is not intended for backwashing, which makes it best suited for non-backwash filtration systems or those with compatible rinse cycles. The 23 1/4 inch length and 8 15/16 inch OD are compatible with many common cartridge housings, but always verify exact model compatibility before purchase.
List number 2. Intex 29002E Type A Pool Filter Cartridge Filter Pumps. Easy to clean. Intex's 29002E Type A is a 2-pack cartridge designed for Intex crystal clear filter pumps, leveraging easy-to-clean Dacron paper media and hydroaeration technology to improve circulation and clarity in above-ground pools. Priced at a budget-friendly $6.99, it targets cost-conscious consumers who replace cartridges bi-weekly for optimal results. The specification highlights compatibility with specific Intex pump models 28603EG, 28637EG, 28635EG, and emphasizes hydroaeration as a design differentiator that can enhance turnover and perceived water freshness. From a performance standpoint, this cartridge is best suited for smaller, above-ground pools with Intex pump configurations. The Dacron-based media is easy to replace and replace regularly, but it does not offer the heavy-duty filtration depth of premium pleated media. For users who prioritize low upfront cost and straightforward maintenance, the 29002E provides a predictable, fuss-free replacement cycle. However, it is less forgiving in pools with heavy leaf load or fine sediments, where more robust filtration may be warranted.
List number 3. Pool Pure PCC 105-PAK4 replaces Pentair CCP 420. The PCC 105-PAK4 from Pool Pure is a high-capacity 105 square foot cartridge intended as a replacement for several premium brands and patterns, including Pentair CCP 420 and Ultra Textile units. At $179.99 for a 4-pack, it targets buyers seeking long replacement intervals and compatibility across a broad ecosystem of filter bodies. The tri-lobal filtration fabric and 50-micron layer are carried forward, with dirt-locking technology designed to simplify rinsing. The shorter 26-inch and 7-inch OD position this cartridge as a mid-length option for larger capacity housings. Performance-wise, the PCC 105-PAK4 is well suited for mid to large residential pools with decent turnover rates, especially when paired with a pump that can sustain adequate flow through a 105 square foot cartridge. Durability improvements are claimed due to the same thickened fabric and reinforced end caps, which can help extend life in calcified environments. The kit form, 4-pack, offers strong value for multi-season maintenance, but the upfront cost is higher, so confirm your housing compatibility and any potential warranty considerations with Pool Pure's customer support before buying.
List number 4. Pool Pure PLF 175A Pool Filter replaces Hayward C1750.
The PLF-175A is PoolPure's 175 square foot cartridge, a high-capacity option that aligns with large residential or pool spa combinations. At $79.99, it sits at a mid to upper mid-range price point given its substantial filtration area. The design continues to leverage tri-lobal filtration fabric and dirt locking technology with a 50-micron filtration layer and reinforced end caps intended to extend service life. The 28 and 3/16-inch length and 8 and 15/16-inch OD make it a fit for many larger canister-style housings. In practice, the PLF-175A shines in pools that demand longer run cycles and stronger debris handling, such as homes with big gatherings or landscapes that shed a lot of leaves. The increased surface area reduces pressure spikes and can improve overall water clarity when paired with properly sized pumps. Cleaning remains straightforward due to the dirt locking mechanism, though users should still schedule regular monthly maintenance in areas with high particulate matter. The price-to-capacity ratio is favorable for its class.
Number 5. HydroTools Cartridge Pool Filter Tanks. Swimline's HydroTools 40SF cartridge filter tank is a complete cartridge filter tank combination designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, providing a 40 square foot filtration area and a tank-based system. Priced at $164.99, it targets users who want a self-contained filter tank with a clear gauge and a self-contained housing, rather than a simple cartridge. The system supports pumps from 1/3 to 1.5 HP and is marketed as a durable, UV-resistant, heavy-duty option. Notably, this product is a filter tank that pairs with the included elements and gauge, but it does not include a pump base or plumbing fittings, which affects total installed cost. In terms of performance, the quad-cell distribution and oversized tank capacity can extend filter cycles, particularly in pools up to 21,000 gallons. The inclusion of a pressure gauge and release valve helps monitor head pressure over time, aiding maintenance. However, the absence of a pump and plumbings means you must select compatible components separately, which adds planning steps and potential compatibility questions. For many homeowners, this is a more architectural choice, prioritizing a robust tank with easily replaceable cartridges over a compact all-in-one unit.